Hey guys, this is Devlog 1 of a fishing game. That's going to be a very basic fishing game. We plan just to have, basic fishing, spawning a fish, capture a fish, basic inventory before we move on to a bigger game. So this is the first devlog. What we have right now is just a pretty basic animation system for our character. He's a jump, and as you see, a fall animation. This is the same animation. On a left and a right animation. We have some water that's animated. It's pretty janky way to get the water animated. I don't even remember what it is. It's like a 2D sprite. One long one. Or not even one long one. It's like 9 or however long this is, 7. Sprite textures. So like water blocks put together. I need to figure out a better way to do that if we're going to have more water. Because I want this block down here that I'm standing on to be animated. That's supposed to be the caustics casted by the water. But no sense in animating those until I actually figure out how to animate stuff on blocks. I'm working on a parallax system for the game's background. So far it works really well. I want to see if I can add some sort of fog to it. So that way, there's a little bit of fog, haze between the player and the parallax system. It's a little buggy, you can see right here. How it doesn't load, because it's supposed to mirror. Let's see if we can go this way. See how, it popped in? It's a little buggy. We need to fix that. Right now, I just have it set to copy and paste. I just copied this end and pasted it to this side. And a sprite. I just copied this part over here. Eventually, I want to have this be unique, but just put it there for now. Where was it? Where's Godot? There it is. I think what we gotta work on next is probably an inventory system, and then maybe some mobs that can spawn in. When you figure out the fish, we need to make a casting animation, because you're supposed to catch the fish. Somehow we'll have to do that. But this is it for now. This is just a project on us learning how to make a game. So it's going to be pretty basic. I think we just kind of want an inventory system, a health system, catch fish system, maybe with a fish minigame. Maybe we'll do that in this one. But I think our goal is to make a game that's kind of like Stardew Valley, except we're farming kind of fish. Or at least in the Stardew Valley style. This is just this project's just meant to get us familiar with Godot and how to program and stuff like that. Everything's done in-house. The sprites, the music will somehow be done in-house. That'll be fun. And the sound effects. So far, probably like a couple of days of work. Maybe we'll do devlogs bi-weekly. But thank you guys for watching. Have a good rest of your day.